Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to integrate OpenCV, like how to create an OpenCV application in your macOS on your macOS laptop with C++. So let's get started. So yeah, this is macOS specific. This would be a very basic example. So yeah, so first what you will have to do, just create one folder. I'm using VSCODe. Feel free to use whatever you feel like. So here I have just created a folder called OpenCV test. Inside that I have taken this particular image. You can use whatever image you feel like. The output will be I should be able to display this image with the help of OpenCV. This is a very basic example. Then you will have to create this main.cpp file. If you want, you can install this C++ extension from Microsoft as well. So I have installed this particular thing. Next I have also installed, I think, CMake related extensions as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, CMake extension as well, one from Microsoft and one from this particular guy. So yeah, here we are just including OpenCV.hpp. Then here I have just created a main function. Then we are trying to read an image. Now here this should be the entire path where this particular image is located. You can take whatever image you feel like, just make sure you update the path as well as the image name. So this requires the full path of the image, and here I'm just reading the color, and if the image is empty then I'm just throwing an error. If the image is present then I'm just doing CV IM show the image, and here I'm just waiting for a key to be pressed so that we can dismiss the application once it is running. Okay, so this is all the code there is to be. Now you need to install OpenCV inside your macOS, right? So easiest way, most 99% of Mac users already have Homebrew installed. If you don't have, just Google it, how to install Homebrew. Once you have Homebrew, you can just run this brew install OpenCV. Okay, now don't run all this command. You don't need to. I had to, because I had a mix of Rosetta as well as mine is Silicon Mac, like Apple Silicon ARM based machines, and previously I was using Rosetta when I installed Homebrew for the very first time, and it had now it has led to all sorts of confusions. But you don't run this. What the next step, what you will have to do is make this cmake list.txt file. Now I have just copied it from this particular URL, so you can just scroll down and just copy this particular part, and we just have to make few changes. So here my project name I have given is a display image. I think, yeah, they are using the same, sorry, so we don't have to even change that. The next thing which I have changed, I think, this particular part where exactly is your OpenCV 4 located. So make sure you update this particular path of set. So here, yeah, this is missing, right? So make sure you add this particular thing as well, because CMake needs to find where exactly is OpenCV located inside your machine. If this path is different for you, make sure you update this path as well. Rest everything is same. Find package, include directories, add executable, and here I am referencing to our main.cpp file, and here we just do target link libraries. Okay, so once all this stuff is done, you can just create a build folder manually. Okay, and then you will have to cd to the build folder. So you can just cd to your build folder, and then you will have to run this particular command, cmake ... I have already run this. Once you run this, it will create a bunch of file for you, and then you will just have to run make. Again, it will do some stuff for you, and once that is done, you should see this display image being created. And now to run your application, you just have to paste this particular command. So hopefully it should show me my image. This takes a little bit of time, but in case, here you can see this is the image, and if I press any key like G, it gets exited. Now after running this particular cmake ... if you are getting any kind of error, maybe you can try this particular approach. I'm not really sure if this will work for you or not. It's basically needs to find the path to your OpenCV, and that's what I'm doing over here. Even I have asked ChatGPT for this, but yeah, so that's why if you are getting any error after running cmake ... first check whether you have given this proper path or not, where your OpenCV is located, if you have installed it via Homebrew. If this is correct, then make sure you try this particular things out. and then once that is done, again do cmake .make and .display image. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.